Hello, Michael here from Small Robot Studio with another Unreal 5 tutorial. Today we're going to be having a look at how to add Megascans trees into any Unreal 5 project. So at the moment they're only compatible by default with 4.27 and higher, I believe, projects, but we can get them into 5 without too much difficulty. So the first thing obviously you need to do is download the Megascans trees or add them to your library. So to do that, go to the marketplace and search for Megascans trees, and then you can just go into the Megascans trees European Blackwood. Add it to your profile as you would with any other asset. Once you've got it, we need to come back to the library tab in the Epic launcher, and we'll go to Megascans trees and we'll add it to project. And you'll see only 4.27 projects are visible. We need to show all projects and select whichever project that is in 5.0 that you want. It will say asset not compatible with 5.0. That's fine. What we do is we just switch this to 4.27, add to project. I've already added it, so you'll just need to add it. I won't replace it on in this stage, but you'll just add it in there. We'll open up that project. And hey, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on, otherwise you may be missing out on the many tutorials that we're releasing for free each week here on YouTube. So you'll see I've got a fresh scene here, and what I will need to do is bring it in by going to the content browser under content, and it'll be in Black Alder. If you installed it to a different location, obviously it will be there. We can just jump into geometry, and if we just choose simple wind, you can see all of the different trees here, and it is just the same as any other Megascans item. You can just drag and drop it in. And it will take a moment to download the textures and all the geometry, but after a moment, depending on your internet speed, you'll have the full resolution tree there, like so. Now, to adjust things like the wind, we will need to go into our content browser, and we'll need some additional assets. So make sure that you've got the settings for show plugin content enabled, otherwise it will just be like that. And we will search for global foliage actor, and you'll see that's under game, MS presets, MS foliage material, and global foliage actor there. And then we need to drag this into the scene. And then this way we can control things like the wind noise and strength. So make it very windy, change the direction, etc. This is where you'll also go in and do your seasons. So you can change the leaves and the color to be more alive or less alive, obviously, depending on what season you want. Insofar as that goes, I'm not going to cover that here. I can do separate tutorials for that, but I'm pretty sure it is in the Quixel tutorial as well if you want to see a bit more of a deep dive there. But this is just to show you how to get it into Unreal 5 so you guys can get started with this for your Unreal 5 scenes. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it useful, make sure you leave a like so other people can find it. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, as we're bringing out CG and illustration tutorials every week, just like this one. Become a patron and access tutorial assets, bonus content, a private Discord, and more by clicking the link below.